In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a device and use Google Find My Device. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to Find My Device. Once you're signed in to your Google account, your device that you're currently using will be automatically added to the current device that you have under Find My Device. Go ahead and head over to the top right corner of your screen. Now click on Find My Device settings. And as you can see in here, although this device uses Find My Device, but if your location settings is off, it's impossible to locate your device using the application. So make sure to turn on your location anytime, anywhere you go, to make sure you can easily locate it. So for example, this device. As you can see, I can only view the current battery percentage of this device since this device has its location settings turned off. Now, if the location settings of this device is turned on, for example, the Xiaomi Pad 6 device under my Find device, so just go ahead and click on the device that you want to view from your list of device under Find My Device. Since this device has already its location turned on, I can now find where this device is currently located. Now, if you have lost your device somewhere at your home, you can just hit on play sound to be able to make your device play sound. Now, if your device has got stolen, you can go ahead and click on the secure device and keep your device locked. You can also enter a text in this area. It will show up on your device once it turns back on. And that's how you can simply add a device and use Google Find My Device. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.